We are committed to delivering the best around the world. We are proud of providing professional solutions to automotive sector in every new day. With over 40 years of production quality, we continue to grow unabated. We offer you more than quality with the products we produce for the commercial heavy vehicles of the leading brands in the automotive sector. We leave a mark in the sector with a sustainable quality approach, competent engineering, strong infrastructure, and an experienced team. Ahen Automotive continues to keep the pulse of the world automotive sector with spare parts solutions. With our quality and guarantee policy, our brand is equipped with the latest technologies in the world. R&D and new product commissioning, mold design, casting and machining production stations always maintains brand value. We are proud of being a brand with our investments that are full of innovation and technology that change from day one to today and from today to tomorrow. With success and pride, 40th year. Ahen Automotive.